knowing how Sunpump.meme works will give you an edge to make money in crypto or on Tron chain. So in this video, I'll be showing you and explaining how Sunpump.meme works. Okay, I'll be showing you how to create and launch your token, how to buy token, and how to do research. Okay, information and data that you need to get. I will show you all this, guys. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I publish crypto content, you'll be the first to be notified. Let's get started. Now this is the homepage. This is the sunpump.meme homepage. As I said, sunpump.meme is similar to pump.fun. Okay, it is a platform for launching and trading meme coin. Okay, so let's look at the features now. This is home, this is launch, this is dog. Okay, the dog talk about how information about how it works. Okay, then this is the Twitter account. Then you can follow it on this Telegram account. Also, this is you have to connect. Okay, like I said, you need Tron link. Okay, to use Dix, either Tron link or any other wallet, but I use Tron link. Once you connect, you'll be able to use this platform. Okay, now let's do two things. We'll launch a new token first, then now look at how to buy information that we need now to buy a coin, okay, or to trade a coin. So let's launch a token. So we are launching the token, or we'll call it that let's do okay. So let's find the pics that will be stable for it. Okay, let's download these pics. One of these pics. This is just for experiment. This look good. So we'll go there. Okay, upload it. Taking over the cat season. Taking over the cat season. So if you have your website, you can put it there at ino.meme. If you have Twitter, you can put it there. Let's say in this case, it will be Catino. Okay. You can enter. How many do you want to buy? 100,000. Let's say you want to buy 100,000 at launch, so you can own it. Then once you have done all this, you click on launch, and to launch, you need 20 TRXR to launch. Now, what you need to know is that there's no pre-sale, no team allocation, no gas fee. It's a fair once you launch into the market and people will participate and buy. So this is how the launching works. Okay, now let's now go to homepage. How can you trade token or do how can you do your research and find good token to trade? Now on this platform, you see that means you can decide to search by lunchtime or when was it launched. Searching by lunchtime means you want to buy token that is launched. Okay, let's see this token. Okay, this was created 8 days ago, 8 days, 19 hours. So let's go back. So you can search by trading volume, then you can search by market cap. You can search by market cap too. Then you can search by 24-hour price increase. Okay, it's very, very important that you do all this, know how to do all these things. Then you can also find projects that are listed on SunSwap. Okay, SunSwap is the DEX. Okay, the DEX for Tron chain or for Tron. So let's do market cap and listed on SunSwap, like those combination. Okay, market cap and listed. So let's start from the biggest. Okay, let's assume I found this. I want to buy it. Okay, for far. So I can either buy it through SunSwap or I'll buy directly Sunpump.meme. But I will for the purpose of this video, I'll be using Sunpump.meme to buy it. Okay, so the next thing to do is I will look at the information. This is the contract. This is the wallet that created it. Okay, so this is the price information. It's $30 million market cap, and this is the price action. Okay, so I'll look at all the information that I need to look at. This holding distribution. Okay, this wallet is holding 3.6. You can see that it is somehow fairly distributed. So once I've looked at all those data, the next thing to do is I will click on how many. Okay, let's say I want to buy one TRS worth of profile. Click on trade. So you can see once I click on trade, you bring sign, click on sign, click on confirm. I don't have sufficient TRX, so but this simply have to be to sell. Do the same thing. You can sell 50%, sell 75%, sell 100% based on the market circumstances. Okay, so in Sunpump.meme, this is how it works. And understanding this, knowing this will give you an edge over others. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with others. Also, on top of this channel, there's a video on how to on the top meme coin to make money. Check it and find it very helpful. Also, CoinDollar has a community, and in this community, we provide information, signals, and alpha to guide members to make money from crypto on daily basis. Check it and check the link in the description section. Join. Also, if you are new to crypto, there's a book it's an ebook, a free ebook called Crypto Millionaire. It is where you start from. You learn how to start your journey and how to make money in crypto. Check the link in the description section and you find where to download it.